Hi, it's Miss Asia with the Mustards. I have been reading Pete the Cat, but my other favorite author is Mo Willems, and he writes Elephant and Piggie books. So this is a big book of different Elephant and Piggie books. So I'm going to read one today, and then hopefully read the rest next week. All right, so the first one is Today I Will Fly. And remember, Piggie has the voice bubbles with the pink, and Gerald, the elephant, has the gray. So she says, today you will read. Today I will fly. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. She seems quite sad. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. He's shaking his fist. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. She's trying. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I will go get help. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. You jumped. I jumped. What? It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, 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 fly. Oh. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will help you. I will. Thank you. Hello? Hello? You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. You are not flying? I am getting help. Thank you for your help. And then Gerald thinks, tomorrow I will fly. Good luck. The end.